Milad with love, Milad.
صلوا على الحبيب صلى الله تعالى على محمد صلى الله تعالى عليه وعلى آله وسلم. Alhamdulillah Azza wa Jal. It is the blessed month of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the month of the Milad of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Many of us would be decorating our homes, decorating them with lights, with flags, my dear viewers of Madani Channel. Where do we get this from? And subhanallah, Imam Jalaluddin As-Suyuti Ash-Shafi'i radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu, the great scholar, the great muhaddis, the great mujaddid of his time, he states in his book Khasais al-Kubra that Hazrat Amina radhiyallahu ta'ala anha, the beloved mother of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, she had stated, she had said that when the Messenger of Allah, when Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam was born, then she saw that 3 flags had been hoisted, one in the east, one in the west, and one on top of the Al-Ka'batul Musharrafa itself, my dear viewers. And similarly, it has been stated that when Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam came towards Al-Madinatul Munawwara, before entering Al-Madinah, an individual by the name of Burayda Aslami, my dear viewers, he along with 70 people, 70 horsemen, they came to Mazallah and tried to attack Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. But he said, upon his seeing Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he immediately changed his mind. He was immediately taken back by the beauty and the greatness of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and he accepts Islam. And then he says to the Messenger of Allah that, Ya Rasulullah, we shall welcome you in Al-Madinatul Munawwara now. So he goes to Al-Madinatul Munawwara, and with the spears that the men had, they tied their imamah sharifs, the turbans, the cloth around their head, they tied it, making it into a flag, and with that they welcomed Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the beautiful city of Al-Madinatul Munawwara. So putting up flags is not something which is new, my dear viewers, but has also been seen from the time of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Adorn your houses, my dear viewers, decorate your houses, beautify your houses, and celebrate Milad. Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa ala alihi wa sallam.